Imagine a society that is no longer emitting CO2 into the atmosphere by massively burning fossil fuels, but instead binds it and utilizes it as a valuable resource for innovative carbon-containing materials like polymers, therapeutics, or synthetic fuels. Sounds promising, but also highly challenging. With the new research initiative, Mining the Atmosphere, Empa is aiming at developing solutions that help us transition to the CO2 binding society. Want to know how? Let's find out together. Global warming is due to man-made greenhouse gas emissions. This emission leads to an increase of the temperature on our planet. Many countries around the world came up with new legislations with respect to CO2 emissions. So many countries as well as industry players are committed to reduce their emission to zero by 2050. It is obvious that if our society needs to reach net zero, meaning we are not emitting CO2 anymore by 2050, this needs a huge change. We need new technologies which are not based on fossil fuels, and the whole society needs to adjust to this change. Net zero is a very nice term, but we need to go beyond this. And why do we need to do this? By today, we have already emitted too much CO2 in order to meet the 1.5 target, which has been agreed by the countries of the world. So this means if we don't want our temperature to increase more than 1.5 degrees, we need to take CO2 out of the air and store it away from the atmosphere.